Hello everyone, this is Analytics Kida, and if you want to be a business analyst or you want to learn these mentioned tools, Excel, Advanced Excel, VBA, SQL, Power BI, some more Python or Tableau, you can subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's start with today's session. So guys, in today's session we'll talk about VLOOKUP and we'll talk first of all VLOOKUP in same sheet, how to use VLOOKUP in different sheet thereafter, then different workbook, then VLOOKUP with multiple criteria. Generally we do VLOOKUP with single criteria only, so we'll discuss how to do VLOOKUP with multiple criteria as well. Next is reverse VLOOKUP. Okay, let's start with same sheet first. So guys, we have this data in our hand. This data belongs to a sales company. We have the order date, region, representative ID, representative name, item sold, unit sold, cost price, selling price, profit per unit, and the total profit. Suppose we are having the representative IDs over here. And we want to look up the representative name. So what we'll do is we'll look up. Now we'll select the lookup value, that is a representative ID. Then what we want over here is representative name. So in order to get that, we'll select the table array. Array is the range in which we'll look up this value. So this is the array. In these two columns we'll found the representative name. So this will be our array, and thereafter the column index. Column index asked us to determine in which particular index or column this particular lookup value is. So it is in second 1 2, so we'll write 2 over here, then we write false and we close the parentheses, hit enter. So we can check over here AS70 we have Ashley. Like this we can do the VLOOKUP in same sheet, and we just drag out the formula. It will tell us for all. So this belongs to Brittany as well. This is also belongs to Brittany. Let's proceed to VLOOKUP in other sheet. So we still want to VLOOKUP in the same sheet, but we'll VLOOKUP the value from the another sheet. So this is VLOOKUP. Let's remove these values. Now I'll VLOOKUP the representative name from different sheet. The formula will be same. Select the lookup value, select the array. I'll go to different sheet and I'll select the array like this, and we define the column index number, that is second, first 2, and we write 0 for exact match, and we have the Ashley name over here. So we can check AS70 belongs to Ashley. Let's proceed to different workbook. Okay, this is a single workbook of Excel. Now what if the values you want to look up from a different workbook? Not a problem, this is as simple as same sheet as well. We want to look up these values and we write the formula. We select the representative ID as VLOOKUP, as lookup value, and for the array we'll just go on the different workbook and we select the range and we select the column index and we select the exact match and hit enter. So this will also work in a similar manner. It is just that the workbook should be open and we select the range from that particular workbook. So this would work fine. Next is multiple criteria. Okay, now right now what we were doing is we were using the VLOOKUP having the single criteria. For example, if we have these representative names over here, representative name, and we want to VLOOKUP item. So what we will do is we will lookup value array on index 2 exact match, and we enter. So we can get here the first item that was sold by Ashley, Mira, Brittany. So like this we can see over here that Brittany have sold the hard disk, this Brittany had sold the hard disk. Now are these all the Britneys are the same? If you look at their representative IDs, all three Britneys representative ID is different. So in this case what we do is we look up the values using multiple criteria. How we'll do that? First of all, let's change a bit things in the data. If we do pen drive for second Whitney and the third Whitney for mobile. Okay, now so we will look up what was the item that was sold by first Whitney, second Whitney and third Whitney. We'll do this by using multiple criteria. So for that we need to have a helper column before representative name, because we look up works from left to right. We will concatenate representative ID and representative name like this, close parenthesis, do this for all, from control D. Now we'll look up the item name from these helper column. So what we'll do is we look up for or we wait for paste as values. Now we will look up from these values of helper column. Number one is this. Select the array. Second, the index number, that is 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write over here 3, then exact match, then hit enter. Now what we'll see over here, we are having the item name for first Britney is hard disk, second Britney is pen drive, third Britney is mobile. And you can look over here, we are having here the same BR59 Britney, BR59 Britney, hard disk 81, pen drive 66, mobile. So like this we can use the VLOOKUP using multiple criteria. Let's understand reverse VLOOKUP. So till now we know that we can only use VLOOKUP when the data is arranged from left to right. So VLOOKUP always work from left to right. What if I want to look up representative ID from representative name. Okay, I have the representative names over here, and I want to look up is representative ID. So this would be really interesting. How can we do this? Is equals to VLOOKUP. I want to look up from representative name. Now it is asking me the table array. Please understand this formula very clearly. To avoid the errors, we'll use to define range, we'll here use choose function. Because we are right now looking at representative ID from representative name, and we have the representative name on the right side and we have the representative ID on the left side. So we'll use choose function to define the error so that we can bring it up to the left side. Parenthesis start. Define the index value. Now I want a representative name as first column and I want a representative ID as second column. Here I close the parentheses. Now this will be second column and this will be first column. That is what we are defining in this particular formula with the help of choose function. So second is the column that we want to look up, that is representative ID, then exact match, then close the parentheses, hit enter. So right like this reverse VLOOKUP works. Thanks for watching guys. That's all in today's session. See you in next session. Thank you.